Step into a cozy outdoor sanctuary where relaxation and camaraderie flourish amidst the beauty of nature. Nestled within a compact patio, a charming bistro dining set awaits, inviting you to savor meals al fresco surrounded by lush greenery. The verdant foliage envelopes the space, creating a sense of privacy and tranquility that enhances the outdoor dining experience. At the heart of it all, a small fire pit crackles with warmth and cheer, casting a soft glow that illuminates the gathering space and creates an inviting ambience perfect for intimate gatherings and heartfelt conversations. It's a retreat where memories are made and connections are deepened, where the simple pleasures of good food, good company, and the great outdoors come together to create moments of pure joy and contentment. Step into a tranquil oasis tucked away in the heart of a compact courtyard garden, where serenity and beauty intertwine to create a haven of peace and relaxation. Meandering along a winding pathway, lined with an array of colorful perennials and shrubs, you are enveloped by the vibrant hues and sweet sense of nature's bounty. Amidst the lush foliage and vibrant blooms, a small fountain glistens in the sunlight, its gentle cascade of water adding a soothing melody to the serene landscape. It's a place where time seems to stand still, where the stresses of the outside world melt away, and all that matters is the simple joy of being surrounded by the beauty of the natural world. Whether you're strolling along the pathway, listening to the tranquil sounds of the fountain, or simply basking in the peaceful ambience, this courtyard garden offers a sanctuary of calm and tranquility that rejuvenates the mind, body, and soul. Step into a serene sanctuary inspired by the timeless beauty of Japanese gardens, where tranquility and harmony reign supreme. A compact rock garden, meticulously arranged with carefully placed stones and gravel, invites you to immerse yourself in the art of contemplation and meditation. A small wooden bridge, gracefully arched over a miniature stream, beckons you to traverse its path, leading you to a secluded seating area nestled among the lush foliage of bamboo and ornamental trees. Here, amidst the gentle rustle of leaves and the soothing sound of flowing water, you'll find solace and serenity, a haven of peace and calm in the midst of the bustling world outside. It's a place where time seems to stand still, where the beauty of nature unfolds in all its glory, inviting you to pause, breathe, and find renewal in the tranquil embrace of this Japanese-inspired garden retreat. Step into a contemporary retreat where modern luxury meets outdoor elegance, creating a haven of relaxation and style. At the heart of this oasis lies a compact swimming pool, its pristine waters beckoning for a refreshing dip on warm summer days. Surrounding the pool, sleek wooden decking adds a touch of sophistication, while carefully placed potted plants bring bursts of greenery and life to the space. Overhead, a pergola offers shade and shelter, creating an inviting spot to escape the midday sun and enjoy a moment of respite. As evening falls, string lights and outdoor lanterns cast a warm and inviting glow, illuminating the scene with a cozy ambience that's perfect for lingering conversations and starlit soirees. It's a modern paradise where every detail is thoughtfully curated to enhance your outdoor experience, inviting you to unwind, relax, and savor the beauty of your surroundings. Step into a delightful corner of the backyard where a miniature vegetable garden awaits, brimming with the promise of fresh herbs, vegetables, and edible flowers. Raised beds, carefully tended and filled with nutrient-rich soil, host a bounty of culinary delights, inviting you to harvest your own homegrown ingredients for delicious meals. Climbing plants, supported by a sturdy trellis, reach skyward, maximizing space and adding vertical interest to the garden. Surrounding the beds, decorative fencing adds a touch of charm and whimsy, defining the space and inviting you to explore its hidden treasures. It's a garden sanctuary where the simple pleasures of gardening and the joys of homegrown produce come together, offering a slice of rural charm and nourishment for both body and soul. Step into a verdant oasis where creativity knows no bounds with this stunning vertical garden wall. Installed along the perimeter of the backyard, it transforms unused space into a vibrant tapestry of greenery and color, adding visual interest and charm to the landscape. Pockets of vibrant flowers and fragrant herbs cascade down the wall, creating a lush and functional landscape in even the most limited of areas. Whether you're harvesting fresh herbs for culinary delights or simply enjoying the sight of blooming flowers, this vertical garden wall offers a feast for the senses and a touch of natural beauty to enhance your outdoor sanctuary. It's a testament to the power of ingenuity and imagination, turning ordinary walls into living works of art that bring joy and vitality to every corner of your backyard retreat. Step into a chic contemporary outdoor retreat, where modern comfort meets urban elegance in a compact lounge area designed for relaxation and enjoyment. Built-in seating surrounds a sleek fire pit, inviting you to gather with friends and family for cozy evenings under the stars. Potted plants and tall grasses frame the space, creating a sense of privacy and tranquility while softening the edges of the urban landscape. It's a cozy oasis in the heart of the city, where you can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life and unwind in style, surrounded by the sights and sounds of nature. Whether you're curling up with a good book or toasting marshmallows over the fire, this contemporary outdoor living space offers a welcoming haven where memories are made and moments are cherished. Step into a magical realm of enchantment with this whimsical fairy garden, where imagination knows no bounds and every corner holds the promise of wonder and delight. Miniature plants, carefully tended and lovingly arranged, create a lush and verdant landscape that serves as the canvas for your wildest dreams. Tiny houses, adorned with whimsical details and charming accents, dot the landscape like tiny havens for imaginary creatures to call home. And amidst it all, whimsical accessories add a touch of magic and mystery to the scene, inviting you to explore and discover hidden treasures at every turn. A winding path meanders through the enchanted landscape, beckoning visitors to wander and lose themselves in the beauty and wonder of this fairy tale world. It's a place where dreams come to life and imagination knows no bounds, a sanctuary of whimsy and enchantment that captures the hearts and imaginations of all who dare to enter. Step into a serene Mediterranean retreat, where the warmth of the sun and the scent of fragrant herbs transport you to a tranquil oasis of beauty and relaxation. A tiled patio, adorned with intricate patterns and earthy hues, serves as the centerpiece of the garden, providing a welcoming space for al fresco dining and leisurely gatherings. Shaded by a rustic pergola, a small dining area beckons with its inviting charm, offering respite from the midday sun while still allowing you to bask in the beauty of your surroundings. Terracotta pots, brimming with fragrant herbs and citrus trees, line the perimeter of the patio, infusing the air with the fresh scents of rosemary, thyme, and lemon. It's a garden of abundance and tranquility, where the simple pleasures of outdoor living are celebrated amidst the timeless beauty of the Mediterranean landscape. Step into a modern urban sanctuary where sleek design meets natural beauty, creating a verdant oasis amidst the hustle and bustle of the city. A compact lawn area serves as the focal point, offering a lush expanse of greenery for relaxation and leisure. Surrounding the lawn, raised planters brim with ornamental grasses and flowering perennials, their vibrant colors and textures adding a burst of life to the landscape. At the center of it all, a sleek metal pergola rises majestically, providing structure and support for climbing plants to thrive and flourish, creating a living canopy that shelters and shades the space below. It's a green oasis in the heart of the city, where the stresses of urban life melt away amidst the beauty and tranquility of nature's embrace. Whether you're lounging on the lawn, admiring the blooms, or simply soaking in the serenity of your surroundings, this contemporary urban garden offers a peaceful retreat from the chaos of everyday life.